Welcome to Seven Trumpets Prepper. Guys, in this video today, I'm very excited to announce that the tickets are now available for the Restoring the Foundations Conference. Now, I'm going to go over pretty much all the info as far as the website goes. I'm going to go over to Eventbrite, show you also where that you can get the tickets for the conference and everything. The one thing that I want to tell you up front real quick before we get started is if you're familiar with soundintheloudcry.com, and the links for the tickets is below in the video description, and also to the ministry website as well if you want to check that out. Now, the only thing that's not finished up on the website real quick at the time this video is being posted, but it'll be done in about another week, is the tickets link for the conference will be right here. And you don't see it in this video yet, but by the time this video is up, it will be right there. And not only that, but you can also, if you're wanting to register for the baptism service that's going to be held on the 14th in that afternoon, you can fill out the information right here on the form, get it to the ministry, and we'll be glad to assist you with that, because I know a lot of people's reached out, especially just to me on the YouTube channel as well, about that. And lastly, the other thing that'll be finished up here in about a week, like I said, is the conference speakers. The rest of the bios for everybody will be up and etc. But that's pretty much it on that on the website. The last thing I want to point out is now people that have requested info about hotels and lodging. I know that'll come up. This is the hotels that the conference center has worked with to provide for the event so that you can get a discount. And not only that, you're not paying for parking to come over to the event. You can just walk right over from a lot of these hotels, and that way you don't have to deal with that drama. The additional non-partnered hotels and lodging is thanks to some brothers and sisters that's helped contribute to this. There is a whole host of information right there as well. Also Trivago, Expedia, where you can check out a bunch of this other stuff. We've tried to put a comprehensive list together to help everyone, because my main concern is not only for you to have a place to lay, but a place that you can park and not have to pay to park on those days of this event. So guys, anyway, if you cruise over, check out soundintheloudcry.com. All the information's there, and also, like I said, by the time you see this video up, when you click conference tickets, the tickets link, hyperlink will be right there as well. All right, so this is how you get the tickets. Over on Eventbrite, you can see right here, here's the page, just a quick summary. This event is to wake up as many as possible the old paths that have been hidden from us and prepare for the return of Messiah. That's what this is all geared toward, all right? Just getting back to the old paths and getting as prepared as possible, our minds ready for what's to come. And, you know, right now as I'm posting this up, we got the coronavirus, we've had volcanoes the first year, we've had all sorts of turmoil and upheaval all around the world, so I don't think there's a better time than ever to have these conversations. And about this event, you know, to find out more about this event, please also visit the conference section at the ministry. That's where I just took you ahead of time over to soundintheloudcry.com in case somebody came over from Eventbrite, or you came from somebody sharing you this link. There's the info to go over to the ministry. Now, this is the dates that it'll be taking place. Like I said, the baptism's on the 14th. That is free. And also, if you're not coming to the event, or if you couldn't get tickets to come to the event, the baptism, you don't have to have tickets to come to. You can come and be a part of that. There is no charge. There's no nothing. All you got to do is just show up and be ready to serve the Most High Yah. That's it. But as far as the actual conference days is the 15th through the 16th, and that's going to be that morning of the 15th. Please bring the copy of your ticket stub, the ticket paper that you print out, so it'll help the people find your seat, because this is specific seating, and about 7:30 that morning. It'd be great to be there, guys, because we're going to try to start promptly at 8 o'clock, so we got a lot of speakers and a lot of singers to filter through in those 2 days. All right, so if you click the tab right there, it brings up the ticket section. Now, there's 2 ways you can go about this. You can just go right here, pick how many you want. If you have a family larger than a group of 8, please just email me at 7trumpetsprepper@gmail.com, or reach out to us at soundintheloudcry.com on the contact thing, and we'll sort that out to make sure that your family has seating if you have a larger group than 8. But anyway, if you want to purchase tickets over here this way, I mean, you can just do that and then come over here and pick which group you want. General seating's free. If you want some of the premium seating up front, guys, we're doing that off donations. We were able to get 50 extra seats, so we just added those and added them as a donation to help support this event. And right here, if you want to just buy tickets off the map, which I highly encourage, the map will come up, and what it'll do here is you can see where you're wanting to see it. Now, as you can see right here, some of these seats are blocked off already. This is for people that's already prior donated and for the seating for some of the speakers and etc. But nevertheless, right here you can choose the blocks that you're wanting to set at. So I'm going to pick that I want to set right here about midways back. That's general seating. It's free. And the day you come in that morning, like I said, just save your ticket information, print it out, please, because the ushers that are helping people seat that morning promptly, they'll know to put you in section 2, what row you're in and what your seat you're in. And that way everybody knows where they're going, what they're doing, and this thing can get started as efficiently as possible. So guys, that's pretty much it. I look forward to seeing everybody out there. Worked really hard on this. I know Brother Joel's worked really hard on this, and a lot of other people behind the scenes. There's been a lot of people contribute to this financially and time, and I thank everyone up at the conference for allowing us to even partner with them to do this. So guys, with that said, make sure to check out the links below, and as always, until we see you again here at Seven Trumpets Prepper Channel, and until we see you at the conference in August, I hope the Most High Yah Baruch you, keep you, make his face shine upon you, show you favor, and give you peace, my friends, in Yahushua name.